So, hi friends, welcome to the ninth part of the daily vocabulary series. We'll be discussing 10 more new words in the series. So, let's begin. So, the 95th word is accord. It means to do something in complete agreement, right? So, there's a trick to this. Accord, accord एक कार था Honda का बहुत famous. So, accord. So, if you're buying a car and everyone in your family is okay with it, so they're in complete agreement to buy this car. Everyone in your family is in complete agreement to buy Accord. So remember Accord, this is the photo of that car. So if everyone is in agreement, that means to do something in complete agreement, that means Accord. Next word is bane, B-A-N-E, bane, a cause of great distress, curse. It is a very easy word to remember. You can remember this word by this particular photograph. Batman का एक movie था which was very popular, and Bane was a villain over there, right? So he caused great distress for Batman. So you can remember using that particular scene. Over here they were fighting. So he was a cause of great distress. He was a curse for Batman. 97th word is lopsided. Lopsided, it means with one side lower or smaller than the other, or it can also mean unbalanced, lopsided point of view. Example, so the trick over here is lopsided means low sided, right? Over here you can remember this trick. Lopsided means low sided, low sided means it is unbalanced, low sided it means unbalanced. Over here you can remember this word by this photograph wherein the dumbbell is there. There are one side has more weight than the other, so it is lopsided, right? Next is finesse. Finesse means means impressive skill or style, right? The trick over here is for finesse is fineness. If you are fine at something, there's a finesse in your work, you're fine. So right, impressive skill or style. Over here, remember this cake, this like lovely looking cake, and someone who's baked this cake has a lot of finesse with the skill and craft. So impressive skill or style. Finesse means fineness. Next is detrimental. Detrimental, it means tending to cause harm, harmful, right? Or harmful, tending to cause harm or harmful. Trick is detrimental, it has the word mental in it, and mental is someone who's causing harm to himself, right? Detrimental to mental, mental to cause harm, right? And over here you can see this guy, he's having so many cigarettes together, right? So it's harmful for him, it's detrimental for him, right? He's mental, so he's having so many cigarettes together. Next word is 100th word is conversant. Conversant, it means familiar with or knowledgeable about something. So your teacher is conversant about this particular subject. Your geography teacher is conversant with geography. So trick over here is conversant can be converted to converse, and when someone converses about something, they're knowledgeable about it, then only can they converse, right? So converse, that means they can talk about something, that means they're knowledgeable, right, about that particular subject, then only they're conversing. Next word is decipher. Next word is decipher. Decipher means to decode, it means to interpret something, it means to decode. There are like code language words, right? There are languages which are written in codes, so that is to decode that language. Over here you can remember this is Hebrew language, so we are trying to decode it. Since we do not understand that language, we are trying to decode it, we are trying to decipher it, right? So that is decode, decipher. Next word is aghast. It means aghast, it means suddenly feeling of shock or worry. To be horrified is aghast. Trick is aghast is similar to ghost, right? Over here in this photo, this person might have seen a ghost and he's aghast, he's has a sudden feeling of shock or worry. So aghast means ghost. Next word is averse. Averse, having a strong dislike of or opposition to something. Having a strong dislike of say a vegetable, or opposition to something. So trick over here is averse. Averse means averse, verse, right? Verse. So verse, something which is worse, you will have strong dislike towards it, right? For example, I don't like bhindi, or which is also called the lady's finger, okra in English. So you can remember by this photo, this lady also does not like bhindi. So they have a strong dislike or opposition to something. They are not very good with, they don't like the taste of okra, so they are averse to it. Next word is capitulate. Capitulate. Okay, so this flag is of communism. It is bang opposite to capitalism. Capitalism is about producing more goods. Communism is about dividing those goods amongst all of the people. So the meaning of here for capitulate is cease to resist. Cease to resist, right? It means cease to resist. It means to surrender. They don't. It cease to resist. It means to surrender. So capitalism resisted by communists. This is, so capitalism sounds similar to capitalism, and capitalism resisted by communists. Communists resisted the capitalism. So they are trying to surrender it. So from capitalist comes capitalism, and from capitalism you can remember communists. So they are trying to surrender, right? Next and last word is second last word is rebuke. Rebuke. It means express sharp disapproval. Express sharp disapproval or to scold harshly. Right? So trick over here for rebuke is to puke on someone. From rebuke comes puke on someone, and when this guy puked on this person, he started scolding him. You can see that in this photo. So rebuke means to scold harshly, right? Like last word of the day is carnage. Carnage. There's this very popular book, a self-help book. Write down that in the comments, by Dale Carnage. He's a very popular author, by the way. So meaning the killing of a large number of people, massacre. So carnage से आप याद कर सकते हो कार रेज. फ्रॉम कार रेज रिमेंबर कार रेज से क्या होता है, जब रेज में लोग गाड़ी चलाते हैं, यू people get killed. So the killing of a large number of people, massacre. So carnage, remember car rage, killed, and it gets killed, people killed. So over here you can see there is accident. So from carnage comes killed people, right? So these are the words for today. There are more than 10 words, and thank you so much for watching this video. Do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Take care and bye.